Nice. Alright guys, so today we are going to cost effectively cut up some 3M clear bar material and cut it into strips. The purpose of cutting into strips is so that we could kind of make door edge guards. How this works is this push button here has a blade. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and press onto it and make sure the ruler here holds the film in place, and we're going to push down and just glide it and then push down again and glide the rest of it, after which we're going to lift up, pull apart, and this should be good money. Yes sir. This is the license plate bracket that we will use for now. So you can tell license plate bracket, once it's on, it's kind of chafing against this material here. I mean this edge right here. So what we're gonna do is, I don't have any 3M tape again, so I'm gonna just put everything here. Right, we're gonna mount the 3M material over here so that, you know, prevents any type of scratching on the clear coat. That's what I like to do for long term. If you're keeping the car long term, or even if you don't, it's nice to have. Alright, so there you go. Alright, so what we're going to do right now, take this out. See if I can get a closer look. Alright guys, so to follow up with the theme, just want to add a little bit to the license plate video. More 3M material. This is the homemade door edge guards that we're going to put in today. Alright, should be pretty much straightforward. Same thing, you're going to kind of take this out, unravel everything, and basically put it at the edges. For me, I like to go ahead and just dip it a little bit, but when you dip it in water, it's not that sticky initially. So I'm gonna have my dad bring over on the right side and just continue on from here. All right, I believe, yes, this should be good. So So before you do so, what I did was I cleaned the edges out of any wax, just in case it has trouble sticking. I don't know. Is it too close? Alright. And then from here, the material is pretty decent in terms of sticking, so once you have a good solid surface area, it's gonna bite. Here is a little bit tricky. I'm gonna have to kind of bend it like so and kind of just work your way into the crevices by pinching, and by doing so, hopefully it clears all the air bubbles. Alright. And then you're gonna let the heat do the rest of it. It's not the most perfect job, but at least it's gonna kind of protect the edges from any type of dings. Scotch Guard Pro is thicker in material, so I'm hoping it will stay